Right, on our last program, I made an error that caused her some problems, and so to be completely fair, we've decided to bring her back on the program today, so I'm delighted to welcome back Nina Moore. You still have the one strike against you, of course, and that means that you can't afford to lose this first game today. Second bit of information, I would never have done this in the past, ladies and gentlemen, because it would have looked as if I was trying to publicize myself or advertise, and that's not the case now that I'm a married man. But I wanted you to see, some of you have asked, you know, is Alex in shape or out of shape? And I wanted you to see how in shape I am. So here's how in shape Alex is. Now, somebody messed up and supered Scott Lane's face on my body. And Scott Lane is our other player today, and we're delighted to have you back with us.
Thank you. Good to be back, Alex.
Boy, in my wildest dreams, I would never have had a body like that. You're one of the Chippendale performers?
Yes. I work in Hollywood here. We're performing at Carlos and Charlie's on Sunset. Four shows a week.
Good for you. And you can hear some of the screams coming out of the mouths of young ladies in the audience. And I'm sure the reaction is the same when you guys perform. Good luck to you today also on the program as you compete against Nina once again for this prize, among others.
This beautiful patio dining group features an oval table with coordinating umbrella, 4 weather-resistant folding armchairs with cushions, and is molded of lacquered synthetic resin. Designed for easy maintenance, furnished by Emu. Alex.
Oh, yes, France. Paris, France. And Nina, you go first.
Okay, top corner, number 1.
Pearl necklace.
Oh, I love jewelry. And 8 for the match.
8 for the match? No, a video cassette recorder, also known as a VCR. Scott.
Okay, let's look for something. Try to open up the right half of the puzzle. Look under number 15.
Electronic typewriter.
I could use that. Type up a new resume. Let's look for a match or a wild card under number 21, please.
Paris.
Oh, okay.
Nina?
Well, I'm out for that Paris trip.
Nina never knew.
Number 20 for Paris.
His and her tennis wear.
Well, that's not too close, even. 18 for the match to the tennis wear.
Wild card. The other tennis wear.
Okay.
Dead center, number 13. 3 panels opening up for Nina Moore's. Select again.
Okay, I would really like that Paris trip. Number 9.
There's another wild card.
And 21 for Paris?
21 for Paris, yes. Could be a double lucky day for Nina. The other Paris holiday is at number 14. Put it up there and show the lady these pieces. Select again.
Number 4, please.
Popcorn popper.
Okay, we haven't seen that. Let's go for the match at 15, please.
Electronic typewriter, no match. Scott.
Okay, let's see number 10, please.
Oak rocking chair.
Well, let's try for a natural match or wild card, a card under number 2, please.
No, red take. Nina.
Seen a lot of prizes here. 22.
Oak rocking chair.
We just saw that at number 10 for the match.
Oak rocking chair. You know that so far in this game, all of the prizes are in your column?
That's nice.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Now, let's see if you can solve the puzzle.
Okay.
Select again.
Okay, let's see the bottom corner, 25.
Red take.
We saw that. Number 1?
It's not where we saw
No,
it.
we didn't.
Pearl necklace there. Scott.
I believe the red take was under number 2, Alex.
Yes.
Number 25 for the match, please.
What do you say, Scott?
Retake out there. Wait, I'll take it back.
Paris, please. There is, like you said, a green take up there.
You know, it's very difficult for a contestant in this position. It's tough to pass on a prize as marvelous as a holiday in Paris. It's still early in the game, however. Scott, take a look at the puzzle. Pick again.
Number 7, please. Number 15 for the match.
Yeah, I was wondering if you'd ever match up that electronic typewriter, and you did. An expanded puzzle for your benefit, Scott. Pick again.
Number 3, please.
Green tape.
Oh, that would be nice insurance. Let's see if we can find a natural match under number 17.
No, the popcorn popper is there.
popcorn
Nina,
popper we
find
saw.
that green take and you can grab Paris back.
Well, right now I'm in the mood for popcorn. Number 4.
4 has popcorn popping
And
machine.
17 for the match.
17 has popcorn popping machine also. Take a look. Pick again.
Okay, we haven't seen 8. 8, please.
Video cassette recorder.
Oh, we did see that. Number 11 for the match.
Patio furniture. No match there. Scott.
Okay, Alex, let's see what's number 24, please.
Patio furniture.
Number 11 for the match.
Correct. Can you put it all together now, Scott? Select again.
Number 6, please.
Limited edition artwork.
I don't think we've seen that, so let's go for a match under number 19.
We still have a wild card up there, and that is not it. Green take. Big break for Nina.
Big break for me. Number 3
Yes.
and 19 for the match.
Harris, give it to her. Never mind. Whoa, whoa. We gave it to you quickly enough. Nina, for Paris. For Paris and a popcorn popper. Solve this puzzle.
Okay.
All right, pick again. Keep in mind that there is still one wild card somewhere on this board.
Okay. Number 23
Limited edition artwork.
and number 6 for the match.
That's a natural match, so we don't even have to consider the wild card. But it'll come in handy on your next selection. Take a look. I remember where 2 of the prizes are. Let's see what you remember, Nina.
Okay. Number 5, please.
There's the video cassette recorder.
And 8 for the match.
And we remembered where that was, yes. So you're going to clear the board. We'll open these 2 panels. We'll show you 1, 12, and 16. Pearl necklace, and the wild card. Now, when we open these 3 panels, Nina, you've got to solve this puzzle. Can you do it?
Tobacco trees?
Is it tobacco trees? No, it is not. Scott.
Alex, I believe it is Tobacco Road.
Tobacco Road. Oh, that's too bad, Nina. Gosh. Come on, Scott. Go to the board and explain it.
Well, it's tough to see where to start on the top or the bottom. Obviously, it's the bottom. This is a toe and the bodybuilder's back, plus the hoe, that's tobacco. And I don't know if this was orchard or trees, but apparently it's row, plus D, road, Tobacco Road.
Tobacco Road. Well done. And as happy as I am for you, that's how sad I am for Nina, who came back and was cruising along so beautifully, had Paris up there, popcorn popper, all kinds of other prizes. And I'm sorry it didn't work out, Nina. We've got those party gifts for you backstage. Thanks for being here again. So long. Well, you've got the patio furniture, and you've got another shot at a brand new car when we come back. Got a few butterflies today. He's won big, and he has a chance once again to win a brand new car. And I guess he needs a brand new car, right?
I just bought one.
You did?
Yes.
So if you win one, who will get this one?
My mother will get this new car.
Good for you. Good for you. Nice gesture. 15 numbered squares. 40 seconds on the clock. Take a deep breath. Good luck, Scott. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
No.
13, 15.
No.
10, 12.
No.
4, 8.
No.
7, 9.
No.
5, 8.
No.
13, 5.
Right?
14, 2,
Nope.
1, 14,
Correct.
6, 4,
No.
2, 3,
No.
7, 9,
No.
3, 9,
No.
11, 4.
Well, you programmed yourself in an interesting manner. Whenever it gets down to 2 seconds, you say, ay, ay. But you've got $8,132 in prizes, Scott, and that is terrific. You're going to play again. A new opponent for you right after this. Newcomer, we are delighted to welcome to our program. The lady's name is Ruth Harvey. Hello, Ruth.
Hi.
Welcome aboard.
Thank you.
Where are you from?
I'm a native Californian, second generation.
Yeah?
Extremely happily married. My husband and I are expecting our first baby in September. We just found out it's a little girl.
Oh, you're excited?
I'm thrilled.
Great, that's good news. It's always very special time.
Oh, yeah.
You get that glow about you. It's your first one, right?
Yes. And we're glowing.
How does he feel about this?
Oh, he's thrilled. He said he didn't think he knew how to make a little girl. He was wrong. He told the doctor.
You make a little girl the same way you make a little boy.
Yeah, but
See? Does he think there's a different technique involved?
I'll have to ask him when I get home.
Okay, we won't talk about that right now. We will show you one of the prizes you are competing for in this game.
Broyhill's charming secretary desk and hutch will add beauty to any room. Quality crafted of solid oak, featuring drop lid and drawers with shelves furnished by Broyhill. Alex.
Scott says, perfect for my little girl. All right. Show them where we can find that prize on the board. The secretary desk at number 18, $500 in the cash spot in this game. Ruth, and also a holiday in Lake Tahoe, and you pick first.
I'll take number 21, please.
21 is a good place to start. We have an amethyst bracelet.
I could use that. Number 11.
35-millimeter camera. No match. Scott.
Well, let's see number 1, please.
Cash spot.
And a match for number 10, hopefully.
Wild card. The other cash spot at number 25, lower right-hand corner, diagonally opposite. That's unusual. 3 panels opening up for Scott Lane.
Not much help here.
No. Pick again.
Number 4, please.
35-millimeter camera.
Number 11 for the match.
35-millimeter camera. How old's your daughter?
She'll be 3 on the 7th of next month.
Oh, all right. Little 3-year-old. Okay, let's open these 2 panels. Pick again, Scott. There are no more wild cards, of course. There's just the one wild card.
Let's see what's under number 7, please.
Entertainment Center.
That would be nice. Let's see if we can find a match under number 20.
Nope. Green take. Ruth.
Go to the corner with number 5, please.
Red take.
Number 14, please.
Is that it? No refrigerator, freezer. Scott Lane, over to you.
Okay, let's see if we can get something going here. Number 22.
Entertainment Center.
And number 7 for the match, please.
Entertainment Center. Cash spot, camera, Entertainment Center. Building up a bundle here. Open it up. Select again.
Let's see what's under number 23, please.
Dessert of the month.
That'll pass on, but I'll try to make a match under number 9.
Lake Tahoe Getaway. Ruth?
Number 17, please.
Rowing machine.
I need that. Number 6.
Dessert of the
Oh.
month. No match.
There's one.
Though he doesn't want it, he may make the match
to
anyway.
try to keep things going here, I'll go for number 23 and number 6 for the match, please.
That's right. Okay, Scott. Here's another opportunity for you. Pick again.
I need to open up some of the bottom part of the puzzle. Let's see what's under number 16, please.
Red take.
And number 20 for the match.
No.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, says Scott, but maybe Ruth will be able to say, oh, yes.
Number 5, please.
Ah, yes.
Oh, bother. Number 16.
Oh, yes. He's got some cash up there.
Oh, no, that's... I'll wait. Thank you.
Want the holiday in Lake Tahoe,
That
huh?
would be nice.
All right, open it up for her.
Yes.
Pick again.
Number 15.
Cutlery set.
Number 2.
Cutlery set. Okay, Ruth. Now you have a prize up there. You could make it 2 prizes in your column if you use the take.
No, that's okay. Thank you.
You look at me as if I'm trying to talk you into something, and I'm not.
Okay.
Open it up. Select again.
Number 8.
Refrigerator
I
freezer.
believe that was number 19.
Was it? No. Amethyst bracelet. Scott.
Number 14, please.
14. Refrigerator freezer.
And number 8 for the match.
Yep. Ruth was just 1 square away. 2 more panels for Scott Lane.
I think I'm going to hold off 1 second and make another match.
All right.
Number 21 and 24 for the amethyst bracelet.
No. No. Ruth.
Thank you.
Uh-oh.
Number 19.
19 was the amethyst
And
bracelet.
number 21.
21 was the amethyst bracelet. You want to use the take now?
No, I'm in a blank.
All right, let's open them up for her. She says she's drawing a blank, doesn't want to use the take. Pick again, Ruth. Oh, there's the bell. Hands on your signaling buttons. You get to ring in when the little green light goes on, and it goes on after we reveal the first of our squares, and we start with number 3. Scott's in there.
Is it singles bar?
For a man who performs at Chippendales in California, it would seem like a good guess. Singles bar. Yes. Is Chippendales called a singles bar? Fair statement?
Actually, now it's a mixed bar.
Oh, it is?
They've passed a law that allows men to come in.
Oh, all right. But I don't think it'd be as much fun.
No, not for the women because it inhibits them.
Yes. All right. Explain this.
Okay, well, the top line we have a ship that is sinking, so I guess it's the action, which is the sink plus the goals on the rock, which is singles. And on the bottom, I didn't know what it was, but I assumed it was a bar because it was a barbell. So, singles bar.
Well done. All right, Ruth. 1 strike against you only, so it'll be a temporary goodbye. You'll come back to play in our next game. We'll see you in a bit. Scott, let's hear about your prizes this time. This is what you won. Go, Gene.
A cash pot worth $500, a 35mm camera, a service merchandise gift certificate with which you may select a 35mm camera or other top name brands from our catalog or redeem at any one of our many stores, furnished by Service Merchandise, and Dessert of the Month. Every month, a scrumptiously different dessert will arrive at your home. Each dessert is made to serve 12 and is delivered in a reusable designer tin, furnished by Dessert of the Month Club, and an entertainment center. Ashley's 5-piece bar display and entertainment cabinet designed in smart contemporary white, super gloss finish with brass finish accents. World-class furniture furnished by Ashley, and a refrigerator freezer. The RCA No Frost refrigerator features a spacious interior with adjustable glass shelves designed for easy cleaning, extra deep door bins, store gallon-sized containers. Furnished by RCA. And Scott, this is a prize package totaling $2,904.
Taking you over 11,000, and the possibility is a very strong possibility of you winning a brand new car with 45 seconds on the clock. When we come back. Scott has adopted a new technique. Let's see if it works. 15 numbered squares, 45 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Off you go.
1, 2.
No.
3, 4.
Nope.
5, 6.
Nope.
4, 5.
Nope.
Shoot. 6, 7.
Nope.
8, 9.
Nope.
2, 10.
Nope.
1, 10.
Right?
11, 3.
Nope.
12, 5.
Nope.
11, 4.
Nope.
13, 8.
Nope.
7, 3.
Nope.
Boy, oh boy.
You missed the 3-5 combination right off the bat, and that seemed to throw you after that. But hey, you're doing well in our games. You've got $11,036 and no strikes against it. So you're coming back to play at least 2 more times. break.
Some of today's participants may receive Waverly Southern Charm Collection, ideal for upholstery, slip covers, draperies, and bedspreads. This beautiful fabric is fine decorative fabric furnished by Waverly. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.